Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Thank you for checking out on this video, and I appreciate every minute you spend on this channel checking out my videos, and I believe each and every one of them are helping you in one way or the other, and I promise to offer you more quality content that will best describe to what you are looking for. So yeah, on this video I'm gonna share with you some experience that I've gotten and how you can make use of it by getting your first sale within 7 days or less, because there are different niches on Fiverr in which I am, and I don't know the kind of niche you are running. So but on this video I'm gonna share you and give you the tips and my secret on how you can do it on your own, and probably within a week you'll be able to make your first sale on Fiverr. So I have made some okay, yeah, I said I got my first order within 7 days. My secret strategy. So yeah, sorry. So I listed here that you should read buyer requests carefully. So you need to read buyer requests carefully to understand and make sure that um like, to let them show that you really understand what they actually need. So here you need to check the client requirements and attachments. Probably there are some buyers that used to attach documents so that the potential seller can be able to see, to decide the project cost and time frame, then send an offer accordingly. So the second one I said send 10 offers daily, because on a norms Fiverr give 10 opportunities daily for every seller, sorry, which you can be able to apply for jobs, and you can make use of your mobile or your PC. But I would recommend you use your mobile phone, because most times we used to be with our mobile phone all the time. So yeah, I said wait for good buyer requests, because there are some buyer requests that might not well explain for what you can really do, but if you wait, definitely you will be able to see one that related to what you are doing. So that's that. And here I said avoid grammar mistakes, because you need to know how you want to um put in your messages, or what you're trying to send to your buyers. So definitely, so that they will be able to understand what you really mean and how you can be of help to their business. So I advise you to use Grammarly for mobile app or your Chrome extension. So this Grammarly will help you to figure out some of the mistakes, and then you can send out the message to the potential buyers. So next here I said do not use templates. There are some sellers that used to do copy and paste of a thing, which I do not recommend in any way, because this template of a thing, you might not be the only one using it. And if a buyer notices that this template was sent by another sellers too, definitely that buyer might be thinking you are running a multiple account. And being said that, definitely you might not be able to get the project, and another person might hijack the project due to the fact that you are making use of template. And at some point there are some templates that are not really related to what the buyer needs, but due to the fact that I don't know how to compose a message, so just copy and paste this template to this buyer. So definitely, and this template that you just sent to a buyer doesn't relate to what the buyer needs, so your buyer request offer as wasted, and the buyer will not even attend to or bother to message you at all. So here I said use marketing phrases. When you write a proposal using marketing phrases, it gives a precise picture of what you're offering and show how professional you are. This will help buyers to hire you. So so that's that. And this one I said stay online all the time. I have made some videos regarding how you can stay online and being active, either you are on your mobile phone or your PC. You can check out maybe this right side on the left side there. You'll be able to find a video and you can watch it on how you can stay online on Fiverr. But then even 24/7 being online, so far you have your mobile phone or your PC with you with the internet connection. So I said here, make sure you're online all the time on Fiverr. There is no vacation or offline time on Fiverr. Different buyers from different places come to Fiverr at their own best time. So nobody decide for any buyers or any person to come into Fiverr before they can purchase. So there's thousands of buyers are searching for a service to purchase. So definitely if you are lucky to be online as at that time and your gig were showing as in the front of the potential buyer. So definitely you'll be able to land your sales. Let's take for instance, I will just make use of this last step, which is staying online all time as an example on Fiverr. So I'll just check on Fiverr to see some online sellers that are online offering a service. So we'll see what and effective they are having on their gig. So I'll check on this logo design. Then I'll come here to see online sellers. So you can see here, they are all online. So definitely any buyer can contact them at any time and they will be very, very ready to work. You see all of them here. I'm very sure, I'm 100% sure all these sellers on this first page are having orders in queue. I'm 100% sure, 100%. All the sellers on this first page, they are having orders in queue. I'm very sure. This is very sure. So that's how you'll be doing it, and that's the work of being online all the time. Probably these sellers are making use of the app or website that I just mentioned on the video on how you can stay online on Fiverr. So I believe this really help you, and I hope you make use of this as at the best time. Thank you.